Yeah, if you post videos regularly every day, Instagram will recommend you a lot more, but no one has the time to sit and post manually, and it's really time consuming. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with everyone a tool that will help you automatically post reels in bulk to all your Instagram channels. This is the software interface that you will be working with. First, the software application will help you efficiently manage an unlimited number of Instagram accounts that you want to automatically post reels to without any restrictions on the number of accounts. To do this, you need to select the Wilder Marketing section from the menu on the left-hand side of the interface. Next, you should choose the Post Video Reel option, which is specifically designed for posting video reels to your Instagram accounts. Here, you will first need to set up the necessary parameters for the software to function correctly. The first parameter is the number of concurrent runs, which means how many accounts you want to run at the same time. Simply enter the desired number in this field. For example, if your computer is powerful and has sufficient resources, you can run 20 to 30 accounts at once without any issues. On my computer, for instance, I set it to 30 accounts running at the same time. Next, you will see the time interval setting, which you can specify here to determine the delay between each action, and you can also set how many videos each account will post during the session. For example, if I want each account to post one video, I'll set it to 1 in this field. Then, you need to select the videos you want to post. You can upload them directly from a file on your computer or device. After that, I like to choose the option to post, which initiates the posting process. Here, with the reel size setting, you can select the dimensions for posting your video reels. Usually, I choose 9:16, which is the standard aspect ratio for Instagram reels. Next, if you want to add more accounts, you just need to enter the account profile information you want to add in this section. You can also tag locations for your posts. For example, if you're in New York, you can tag the location as New York here. Additionally, you can have these accounts automatically like or comment on the post itself, which can help increase engagement. For comments, you can set the content as you wish, such as like or good or any other content you want to appear as a comment. Then you save your settings, and the next step is to select all the Instagram accounts you want to use, and you just need to save it once to apply the settings to all selected accounts.